Hey everyone, this is your badass rider Dhinraj, and I'm come here with another video today. So I was asked a question on one of my previous videos on how can you mount a big saddlebag on your CBR 250R if you don't have a saddle stay. So that's what I'm here for today. I will be showing you how to mount it, and keep in mind that this is not something experimental for me now. I have tried it and I've used it in this way for many rides, many long rides, the ones which are normally 400 or 500 kilometers at a stretch. So it has worked. It's proven for me to be right. So that's what I'll be showing you, and let's see how it can do it. So basically this is what you will need to mount the saddle bag, which is over there, on your Honda CBR 250R if you don't have a saddle stay. And what you're going to leverage is the bungee cable and this section over here. You will need the pillion foot pegs to be kept out, and what I'm having over here is oh sorry, yeah, so don't mind the seat, it's quite old, I've got to get it fixed. What I'm having over here is a double-sided bungee cable. It's better to have a single one for this purpose, or even a double one works really fine. I can't find my single cable right now, so I'm just making do with the double one that I have. So hook one point on both the sides over here and get it through the bike right like this, and stretch it up over here. It's hard to do it with one hand, but it's possible. Yeah, make sure that if there's any metal point, it comes over here. And normally what I make sure also is none of the metal is actually hitting the reflector to damage it. Oh, and one more thing, this should actually come under the indicator, not above. So now you have this protection over here on both the sides. Make sure it's under the indicator and not above it. This will not move from this place because of this contour over here, and this is very beautifully designed by Honda for us to hook our bungee cables. So yeah, this is a setup that you'll need to do if you don't have a saddle stay and you want to put your saddlebags on. So let me just mount the saddlebag on this and show you how it looks. This is the saddlebag that I'm using, Dirtsack Long Ranger Pro. It's been up since long time, as I've not really had the necessity to use it, so it's really dirty. Let me see. Yeah, so the labeled part comes back because it does reflect in the night. So this is how you'll be mounting it. I'm just giving a rough example. As you can see over here, the bungee cable that you have put will keep the bag in place. It will not let it come towards the tire. Even on this side, it will for sure not come towards the tire, and the cable itself will not be moving inside anyways. There's a lot of stiffness and tension. You can even use a harder material of wire if you like, but this is the most convenient, and even if it flexes a little, it will surely not move until the tire. There's quite a lot of gap between the tire and the cable. So I hope this video helps. I had one of my viewers ask for this, and that's why I'm making this video. I really hope it helps, and all the best for your ride. And don't forget to subscribe to That Badass Rider. Until next time, have fun, ride safe. See ya.